Hello, I'm Ashley Salinas,
I'm Emily Mendes, and I'm Sophia Mata.
and we're 11th graders at Lamar Academy at McAllen ISD who applied and were awarded a grant with Texas Systems of Care because we are super passionate about teen mental wellness.
Yeah, and part of applying to this grant was making an estimated project, budget, and deadline, and so we were awarded around $1,300 to kind of bring the mental health conversation to Lamar Academy during Mental Health Week, which is in May. And with this grant, we really just hope to reach more students and make a positive impact in their lives. And our main goal is really to stop the stigma that surrounds mental health and these difficult topics that many of these students are facing during these times.
And to tackle that discussion, we will be hosting a Mind Over Matter workshop where we will foster some mental health advocates around the district.
We really hope that this event just creates a more positive and student-led environment surrounding the topic of mental health at McAllen ISD.